Hey everybody, if you're brand new to my videos or if you're one of my subscribers that hasn't seen my videos in a while, this video and the one before this is a tribute to my dog. In case you don't know what happened to my dog, we had to have her put to sleep back last week because she had a tumor and yeah, it was bad. So what I'm doing is I'm coming to some of the places that remind me more of Stormy. And some of the places she's had more fun. Something that makes me think of more Stormy. That was my dog's name. And that's what I'm doing this week. Today we're at Romans Wildlife Refuge. And we have somebody just pulled in. Huh, that's interesting. And we're hitting what they call the Red Elk Trail. We won't be doing so much hiking. Today's more from remembering. And this place right here, out of all of them I'm going to be doing this week, is going to be the hardest. This is going to be my hardest because this is one of the places my dog was at the most. And it's one of the places I think she probably had more fun at. And yeah, this is one of the places that remind me of my dog the most. Okay, we're going to get some beauty as well with music. And we're going to do a lot of talking about my dog. Let's get started. My wife and I and Stormy found this place back last year. And this is the place that has the pond. It's also one of my favorite places to be too. And this place reminds me so much of my dog. This place also has some awesome trails. But we do not know. They was in a process of working on them last time we was here with Stormy. And I do not know if they have all the trail markers up yet or not. We'll probably figure that out a day we will go hiking. Today will not be one of them days. Don't have no explanation why. Not one of them days. Well, we're kind of hiking now. Today we're just remembering. As I walk through here, I remember my dog more and more. This is the hardest one for me. Man, is this ever hard. Whew. See, whenever I did my workouts with Stormy, I had her 100% under control. But when we get to places like this, I still had her under control, but she smelled so much of the deer, so much of the wildlife. She just wanted to go bananas. She wanted to take it all in at one time. Okay, guys. Let's go up here. I'm going to take a little bit of time for myself, talk to my wife, and we're going to get some beauty shots. Let's do this. Okay, one of the things we noticed right off the bat is they cut down a lot of brushwood there at that pond. That is freaking excellent, but does make me worry because it makes me worry there's going to be more people up here fishing. Right now I'm walking back to a spot that has the sign, and this sign has a lot of remembrance with Stormy. Plus where we're at now, when we was here last with Stormy, after we got off the trail, this is how we walked out of here. And it was very high then. They've done a lot of work out here. My gosh. Holy. Now, I'm thinking the last time we might have been here might have been the end of August or September. I do not remember. All right. Can you see that sign, Angie? I can't so far.
It's way up here, dear.
Way up here? Okay. Oh, yeah. Now, I'll tell you why this sign reminds me of Stormy so much when I get up there. Now, there's some dogs up yonder here. And just right over there is where that trail comes out at. And what we're probably going to do, I hope that dog don't jump that gate down there. We're going to probably take one of the trails and walk around the pond. But this sign right here was up here last year. And I came back to see if you can see that sign. See what that sign said. And I was like, oh, okay. I thought it would be a no trespassing sign. And I looked up this way. This is hard. Angie and Stormy was standing up that way by the telephone pole. And as I started walking towards him, Stormy got in play mode. She got all excited because she thought Daddy was taking off without her. All right, let's head down. Want to take that trail over that way, head to the creek, or you worried about this dog?
No, that dog's in a big accident.
Dog gets out, I'm gonna play with the dog. But yeah, this reminds me so much of my dog right now. Oh my God. This thing is filled with the memories. All right, we're gonna get down here. I probably won't be doing no more beauty shots with music. If I do any beauty shots, it'd be of me talking. You're gonna hear a dog barking in my background. That looks like a lab. It's a beautiful dog. They've done a lot of work up here, guys. And the only thing, I know this is gonna sound selfish, so please forgive me if this sounds selfish. The only thing that bothers me about that is, it just means there are gonna be more people here now. Yeah, one of the things I love about this place, because up until, well, yeah, it was a forgotten place. It was one of them hidden gems. All right, we're gonna walk through this little trail and we'll get to the pond, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. From this point on, I probably will be doing talking and showing you as we walk through. Okay, right now I'll be showing you some of the trail. Last time me and Stormy and Angie went through here, Angie was walking Stormy and I was videotaping. I was getting beauty shots and Stormy kept turning around, making sure I was still behind. And that's the way it was with Angie too. If I walked Stormy and Angie was behind us, she kept making sure we all three were together. Yeah, it is downright beautiful through here. Oh my gosh. But yeah, last time we was up here, last time Stormy was up here, was back when we went to see exactly how far the trail went. And we still didn't accomplish that. We'll come back up here one day and do it justice. All right, let's get to this pond and let's go from there. Correction, we did finish this trail because we have backtracked to the part where we turned around at. Now, one of the things I kept telling Stormy when she was sick, I was like, honey, if you get better, we'll go hiking. We'll go hiking. And this is the place I was gonna bring her first. Because this place, Stormy's been here so many times. Oh my gosh, there was only one time Angie and I was here without Stormy, and that's when we came down here to fish. And this is the place we was gonna train her to be with us while we was fishing. Oh my gosh. All right, let's get to the pond. Like I said a minute ago, we're still a good piece away. And let's look and see exactly, let me show you what they all did. You guys already seen it, but we look again. I love to show more beauty on this, guys, but that'll wait till another video. This right here is a tribute to Stormy. So, pond's right up here. I remember last time we came, there's a big tree laying across the path, and we had to get over it. And I was thinking Stormy might just jump it, but it was kind of a high jump. So what I did was I had Stormy crawl underneath it while Angie and I crawled over top. This don't even look normal. Isn't it strange when they cut down a lot of stuff how it changes everything about it? This don't even look normal. It's strange when they cut down a lot of brushry how it changes everything. They opened this place wide up. Wide open. And by the way, this is the place I seen the massive think, Michael, grass carp. This is the place I seen the massive grass carp, and right up yonder here, where I'm getting ready to walk by, is where we fished at that day. And while we was here fishing that day, we're like, well, shoot, for next season, this could be one of the places Stormy could come with us to go fishing. Well, they came up here and did a lot of work. They opened up a whole bunch of fishing holes up here. If you guys remember the last time I was here with Stormy, and all the other times, they wasn't but a couple places you could fish. Shoot. Let me stop right here. All the way around this thing you can fish now. Oh yeah. Watch them turn this into a pay lake.
No.
Oh, and that's a joke, by the way. My county will never do that. At least I hope not. Well, it's time for us to go back fishing. We're going to be coming here a lot. I like to think this is still our hidden gem, but no. More people see this, they're going to know it's wide open for fishing now. Okay, let's not even worry about that. This is a tribute to Stormy. Yeah. Stormy would have been unhappy as well. I'm happy to see they opened it up. I am. But then again, I'm also worried about getting filled with a lot of people. Yeah. Maybe I'm selfish. And I think Stormy will feel the same way. Okay, I'm joking. Believe it or not, my battery died halfway through on the pond back there. All right, guys, I'm going to probably finish it out here tomorrow. And the day after that, we will have another tribute to my dog Stormy. Tomorrow we're going to Versailles and hit 2 places out that way. But yeah, we'll see come spring and summer how crowded this place might get with other fishermen and women. We'll see. I know I'm becoming stingy, but I don't know. And the bathroom's right yonder there. Okay, guys. Sorry that the battery died. I was going to get a lot more footage, but sometimes these GoPro batteries don't do so well in the cold. Just saying. Until next time, come on. Let's get out of here. Make sure you tune in tomorrow for another tribute to my dog Stormy. We'll go to another place. Now, tomorrow we are hiking. This will be on a hiking trail. And, yeah. All right, we'll see you there. Come on. Let's get out of here.